My dear technician, welcome back to my new video. Check this out. This phone is not turning on. My dear technician, one of my customer brought this phone to me and told me that the phone is not turning on. Right here you can see that this is a new phone. They have not touched the phone before. They have not opened the phone before. My dear technician, before I proceed, I'll first of all test the battery. It's important. I want to confirm if there is power in the battery. Check this out. My dear technician, if you have any question, feel free. Let me know in the comment section. Check this out. So let me test the battery and be sure. Right here you can see we have here 4.0, meaning that there is power in this battery. There is voltage. So the battery is fully okay. Something is wrong with the phone. The battery is fully okay. Something is wrong with the phone. You can see I tried turning on the phone. It's not still working. By that technician, the next thing is for me to start troubleshooting. I need to troubleshoot. Check this out. I open the phone. By that technician, if you have any question, feel free. Let me know in the comment section. Feel free if you have any question. Let me know in the comment section. Check this out, my dear technician. The next thing is for me to test. I need to use my multimeter and test. Check this out. I place the positive to the negative, but I place the negative to the V bar, which is a positive. You can see that we have a short. You may ask, Father Joe, tell us what type of short is this? This is a full short, okay? Take note, this is a full short. At the technician, like I used to say, troubleshoot. So I'm going to go deeply so that I'll be able to troubleshoot. I'm going to remove this phone from the casing so that I will take my time and troubleshoot. If you have any question, feel free. Let me know in the comment section. At the technician, feel free. Tell me something in the comment section. Let me take my time and do it. Check this out. When you are removing this, always check and confirm if there is any shorts. Check if there is any rust on the panel. Check the technician. Always check. Take your time to do it. If you have any question, feel free. Let me know in the comment section. Check this out. I check very well to see if there is any physical damage. There is no physical damage. Check this out. There is no physical damage. My dear technician, the next thing is for me to connect my DC power supply to the phone. Check this out. As soon as I connect the boot cable, you can see that the phone is consuming power. I try to turn on, you can see that it's also consuming a lot of power, meaning that the CPU is not working. By the technician, the CPU is warming up right now. It's heating up. The CPU is not working. By the technician, for me to be sure, have to do troubleshooting, have to check if there is any physical damage, have to remove this and check a whole lot of things. My dear technician, have to remove the shell and also confirm. If you have question, feel free. Let me know in the comment section. Check this out. I continue checking for physical damage. My dear technician, you can see I apply alcohol. Check this out, my dear technician. If you have any question, feel free. Let me know in the comment section. My dear technician, I will be done. The next thing is for me to test again. I test again. I test capacitors. I test some components. I check resistor. I check capacitors, especially capacitors. It's important. Take your time to do this. Validate the ignition. After checking, no component is shorting. So the next thing is for me to remove the shell, which is the heat sink. I want to remove it right now so that I can fix the phone. If you have any question, feel free. Let me know in the comment section. You can see I'm taking my time to do this. So take your time to do your customer phone. I will be done. I will be done. I will be done. Check this out. Let me zoom for you guys to see. If you have any question, let me know in the comment section. Check this out. There's no physical damage. I apply flux. I want to heat up the IC. Check this out. This is SPD, which is a spray through. You have to be careful when heating up. If not, you're going to spoil the IC. Check this out. I check a little bit. If you have any question, feel free. Let me know in the comment section. Check this out. I'm done. Add the ignition. If not working, I need to replace the IC. Check this out, my data ignition. If you have any question, let me know in the comment section. Check this out. You can see that it is still shorting. It's not working. I put battery. I try turning the phone on. Check this out. It's not working. My data ignition is not working. The owner told me that there's no money to get a new IC, so I'll give him the phone.